Welcome to Essence Reflections Tarot. My name is Krista. This is your weekly nature reading. Your reading from nature. It's a new little series that I'm cooking up over here. Just out with my wife and my dog, just exploring some of the beautiful scenery that's around. And let's see what nature has as a message for us today. And we have the Magician in reverse. And here we see that the Magician has all of the tools of the tarot, the pentacles, the cups, the swords, and the wands at their disposal. And they are surrounded in nature here in this card as well. But with it in the reverse, it tells me that nature feels blocked and cut off from us, and that we are blocked and cut off from nature, and that we could have this absolutely magnificent connection and communion with nature if only we were to open up and just listen and just connect. And he's very stretched out here. His posture is that of openness. And I think it's a reminder for us to sit in our bodies and feel an open posture, and to also to remember, he has the infinity sign above his head, also to remember that this is an ongoing process. This is something that we need to come back to continually, to refill and to recharge ourselves. So if you are able to do at least a little something to connect to nature today, whether you have access to a beautiful outdoors area like the one here, or if you have a plant in your home, or if you can go to a shop that has plants and flowers and anything to do with nature, just to connect, to take a few minutes to be open and to see what comes up for you. I hope that this has resonated for you. Please leave a comment below and let me know. And I look forward to hearing from you. And have a great week. Bye-bye.